Hi everybody, I Varun Kanaya Shet, pursuing BE from Mumbai University College, Garda Institute of Technology. I will be speaking on cloud computing. Now, if as I'm a web developer, what the thing I'll be needing all as a software, the infrastructure. A businessman will be leading with the infrastructure, and a developer will need the platform. Now, if I am a single person, I owns all the things. The cost for this is too high. I have to maintain the software, I have to maintain the infrastructure, and I have to maintain the platform, as well as the version updations, the licensing copy, etc. Now, maintaining each and everything is too difficult for a single person, is too high cost, and also I have to maintain the human resources for handling all this. Now, the basic concept term here for the cloud is, if I am an end user, I want to use all the applications, infrastructure and a platform, I have to just assign to the cloud. I will be able to log in from any of the remote place from the world, and I don't have to carry any of the gadgets with me, pen drive, hard disk, to do or keep my data with me. Okay, now this is the best thing ever I have. I can develop from in-house, from office, from anywhere. So what the company will now need is nothing. Why? Because all the employees will be in-house. They will be handling all the projects from at their own place. Any web page, any web developer can develop any of his needs from directly the cloud. Now, what the cloud provides us? Cloud provides us the best three things. What is that? SaaS, software as a service, and after that, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. Now, if any of the company, if any of the IT related or any of the company, what they want? Software updations, they want the infrastructure updations, after that they want the platform updations. This all things are going to be handled by vendor. Now what the things basically the cloud vendor does? The cloud vendor, giant company like Microsoft, they provide all types of services in this. There are basically three models in the cloud. One is a private, which is dedicated to only of the single of the organization. Other is a private which is dedicated to organization with a third party, and the third one is a public, which is how much we use, just we have to pay for it as a postpaid. How much the bill, how much we are using our consuming our cloud, we can. Another thing, the basic thing which an important, very much important for the cloud is how much we use. We can use it and we have to pay for that. For example, we can pay for $150 for white links. After that, the important is that how much we want, we are going to expand it. We can consume that much of the cloud capacity of the hardware and the application. We don't have to take any of the tension, or we don't have to maintain any of the infrastructure or any of the applications. All is being going to be conducted by vendor. Now, what's basically Microsoft Azure is? Microsoft Azure is going to provide us the compute and the operating system, which is much scalable, which will be much easy to handle for them and us both. After that, the storage capacity which be needed from every person to person. After that, the SQL version. After that, the SQL version, that's for the Azure, SQL Azure for the database. After that, virtualization, marketing, in all the places the Windows Azure is going to be work out. Now, what the Microsoft is doing in these things? Microsoft has been pursuing in this for last 15 years. They're dedicating and hosting for the Windows cloud computing for last 15 years. On February 2010, Microsoft committed for the commercially available of the cloud, and they have been successfully pursuing, as they have for example the clients from Lukins and Locus, HR Locus, what they are using for their ticket granting with a routes map. This is the best easiest thing they have. Just they have to have grant their tickets, automatically the route maps have been available, applications are available. The best thing about cloud is that we are going to reduce our cost, capitalization, infrastructurization, and the human resources. The profitability from the cloud is we are going to have a very high scalability, agility, comfortability, and the best of the thing for the person is can log in from any of the remote place. So easy about it. Now you must have got about every of the cloud, I'm sure, and Windows pursuing from last 15 years with all its security and the best of the services we have. Thank you. This is Varun Shet signing off.